Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to remove followers from your Instagram account. This is gonna be like super easy and simple video. You guys gonna learn it very fast. First of all, I want you to tap on the Instagram icon. Now tap on your profile picture right here. Now this is your Instagram profile page. I want you to tap on the followers. So these are the list of people who are following your Instagram account. If you want to remove one of these followers, just tap on remove. Now this will show up like Instagram won't tell that they have been removed from your followers. If you're sure about removing this follower, then just tap on remove. So the follower has been removed now. So this is very simple video. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.